Pa muna natin yung Masked Singer Pilipinas kasi parang pahirap ng pahirap yung hulaan portion ninyo.
Actually, hirap na hirap talaga ako. Kung napapanood nyo po, ang galing-galing namin ni Arthur.
Oo, actually, di ba?
Ang galing namin tumawa.
Yung pala ang ambag.
Yes. But we're having such a great time. Ang saya-saya po namin sa Masked Singer Pilipinas. Kumbaga sa secondary na lang yung hulaan for us. Mas na-entertain kami at nag-enjoy kami. Sana kayo rin po, habang nanonood po kayo ng Masked Singer Pilipinas, nag-enjoy rin po kayo.
But sobrang tuwang-tuwa ako so far sa mix ng mga talents natin, ng mga masked singer natin this season. Sobrang we have Gen Z, may from VMX, di ba? Sobrang talented.
Magugulat po kayo kasi gulat na gulat kami. May mga hidden talents yung mga masked singers. Yung mga, kasi they're not all singers. They're not all professional singers. But they all sing so well. Alam mo yon. So, magugulat na lang po kayo. Kami sobrang gulat po.
Oh my God.
Hirap na hirap. Mahirap naman talagang manghula.
Wait, Miss Pops, nakakatuwa. We were watching you kanina in Eat Bulaga. Kanina, the clones naman ang ginawa ninyo.
Yes.
Parang ito yung mga nababagay sa inyo ngayon. Puro judging, kung ano-ano.
Nakiupo lang naman ako kanina. Pero one thing I can say, ang galing talaga ng mga Pilipino, diba? Sa performance, singing, dancing. Magaling talaga tayo. Sports, beauty, ano pa ba?
Wait lang, but
intelligence.
Wait, I just wanna ask something. Buti nandito ka sa Pilipinas ngayon. Because parang, alam ko may tour kayo ni Martin. Tama ba? You've been on and off?
Yeah, we just finished a show in Grayton Casino. And ngayon naman po, we're preparing for our Cebu show.
Ooh.
We're touring Always and Forever this July 19 sa Waterfront Cebu Hotel and Casino. And hopefully we continue the tour later on in the year.
Wow. I mean, it's ever withstanding na parang decades na kayo yung pinaka-hot request na mga kababayan natin abroad. Why do you think so? Diba? What makes it so enjoyable pagka pinapanood ng isang Martin at Pops all throughout these years?
Magandang tanong yan. Tanongin kayo.
Oo.
No, first of all,
how much do you enjoy it? Because we feel it.
Yeah, we still enjoy performing together. I think hindi yun pwedeng i-plastic kasi kung ano yung nakikita nila na nag-enjoy kami mag-banter together, kumanta together. I think that's what it is. No? Yung mga personal, iba naman yun.
Wait, speaking of personal, bakit ganun? Parang Miss Pops, may utang ka na sa fans mo. Dahil si Martin, pinapakilala na niya ang kanyang, well, we know naman, of course, in showbiz, kilala naman talaga natin ang off-cam na, partner ni Concert King. Pero si Concert Queen daw, kailan mo naman daw ipapakilala sa amin?
Parang may pressure, slight ng konti dyan. Siguro pag meron na talaga, and why not, diba? Right now, wala talaga. So,
no one worthy.
Ay, hindi naman. Wala lang talaga because maybe I'm really concentrating on my work, my family, I'm enjoying my life. But, parati ko sinasabi, I'm not closing naman doors. So, let's see. Ayoko na nung dati, hinahanap. Ngayon, darating na lang
Correct.
siya.
Dating in this era, what's the biggest wisdom na you felt na you learned?
Yan, dating in this era, ewan ko, mas takot yata ako. Siguro ang dami, basta, may konting nervyo. So, that's why I'll just let it happen or let it flow, if ever.
I know you're always hip, you're always in tune with the times. Do you do dating apps?
No, I don't. Alam mo, isa sa topic naming mga friends. Sabi ko, i-judge ba ako ng mga tao pag nakita nila yung picture ko at saka yung face ko sa dating app?
But really, di ba, pwede naman hindi sa Pilipinas, pwedeng sa States, diba, they have Raya.
Yeah, but still, di ba, baka kagulat-gulat ba? Isa yan sa nagpumipigil sa akin na magugulat ba sila na Uy, si Pops kasali dun sa dating app na. Of course, there's nothing wrong with it.
Yeah.
I just don't know. I've not really thought about it seriously.
Oh.
Tsaka may konting fear Hindi lang
Of
konti.
scammers.
Malaki rin ang
Fear
fear
of
ko.
scammer.
Siyempre baka yung iba kilala ako tapos hindi ko sila makilala.
Hindi, I know merong premium apps for
Yes.
for such personalities as you guys. 'Di ba?
Malalaman mo pag na-try.
Oh! Baka
Nakita niyo
makakarating!
yung pangalan ko.
I love it. Ay, wait lang. So, Miss Pops, ito naman, masaya ba kayo na parang right now, no? Mas nagiging open na rin si Martin. Di ba, shinare niya like some months ago ang kanyang partner, like sa media, which nakikita naman namin sa press con, by the way. Pero, di ba kayo parang mas nagiging open na rin siya?
It's his choice and
Yeah.
finally.
Oh, and how's the apo?
Oh, he's so cute. He's really adorable. I don't think yung happiness ko, anyway, I speak for myself, can describe yung sobra akong kilig when I see him. Siyempre, I love my boys, no? Pero iba pala talaga.
Ang apo. So, grabe inamin.
No, because,
Iba pala yung apo.
Kasi parang nakikita ko yung mini Robin.
Oh.
So, parang naalala ko si Kuya, naalala ko yung mga anak ko nung baby pa sila. So, it gives me a chance to relive that moment. And now I have more time to spend with
Yeah.
Finn. Dati kasi hindi.
Of course, you were working.
Oo, dati kasi, di ba, hindi ako masyadong, kumbaga we were so busy, I didn't get to spend as much time when
I
they were
understand.
babies.
I understand.
So now, pwedeng-pwede, di ba?
So, Midwest Thanksgiving, will you be there? Chicago sila, tama po ba?
I'm not
Chicago.
sure yet. I'm not sure. They're in Vegas now.
Vegas.
I'm not sure, but every chance that we get them, every chance I get, I will try to be there.
And of course, syempre, upcoming movies, shows,
For now,
concerts.
just that.
July 19.
July 19, and abangan nyo na lang po yung iba.
Oh, thank you so
And of
much.
course, don't forget, Pick Cosmetics. They are available online. Our Pick lipsticks
Ay, oo
are
nga.
available
Favorite ko yung pula,
online.
by the way.
Popular yan.
Oo, sobra. Thank you. You're wearing, what are you wearing?
Posh.
Posh.
A little bit of posh and a little bit of popular.
Yeah.
Pick Cosmetics.
That's what Miss Pops is in real life. Posh and popular. Diba? I love it. And hip. Always hip.
Hindi, ganon.
Oh,
Thank you.
sasabihin ko ba sana pati Mass Singer Pilipinas?
Yes, Mass Singer Pilipinas po. Huwag niyong kalimutan every Saturday and Sunday. Abangan niyo po yan. Tuwing Sabado po, 8:30 p.m. Tuwing Linggo naman po, 8:45 p.m. Dito lang po sa TV5 and Sari Sari Channel.
Thank you. Thank you so much.